Microsoft Excel, today we are going to discuss a statement called income statement. Income statement is used to calculate the income of a business for a specified period of a time. Okay, oriented business and sales oriented business. Service oriented business provides services like we, the academy, the school, the hospital, the doctors. We are providing the services, and in turn we are earning income. We don't purchase anything, we don't sell anything, we sell our services and earn income. In this case, the other business is sales oriented business. Sales oriented business manufactures a product, brings the product to the market, then sell the product and earn money or income. Today we are going to discuss the income statement of a service oriented business. Okay, like we are going to calculate the monthly income of our academy in Microsoft Excel. So for the first, I am going to type the name of my academy after income statement. Then I'll type as on, and I'll provide date here. For example, this is October 2022. Now, what are the columns in an income statement? The first column is the serial number or account number. Serial number or account number. The second column is accounts involved. It contains the name of accounts which we are going to calculate in the income statement. It may be a larger in size. Then we have three columns for amount: rupees, rupees and rupees. Now I am going to format a little bit so that we may be enabled to make it look better. Now I have merged and centered the top of the income statement, and I am going to change the font style of the title to any good looking font, like I am going to provide it copper black. In the background I will apply the light green color. For the text I am going to choose the brown color. Now it does not looks better here. I am going to choose the magenta color. Now for business name I am going to merge and center it also. I will increase the size of the business name, and I will change the font to a good looking font. I am going to provide it a little lighter green in the background, and for text I am going to use this blue color. It looks better. As on contains the date, it may be merged and centered. I am going to apply a little formatting on it also. I will give it a background and a font color also. Now this section of income statement contains the serial number, accounts involved and this thing. First of all, I am going to provide some serial numbers, 1, 2, that may be account number, that may be receipt number also. According to situation you can change it. Now the first one is What will be the first account here for our income? Net income, or we can say income from services. What income we have earned from our services for this month? For example, I say we have earned 6,500,000 rupees, 6 lakh and 50,000. Now, to something is to be subtracted from here also. Now we are not providing anything, purchasing anything for our business, or we are not selling any item, so we don't have purchase account or sale account here. We don't have purchase return and sale return also. We don't pay any cost for our services. Then what we pay? We pay the operational expenses. Okay, operational expenses are those expenses which are liable to be paid by our business to run our business. Okay, for example, we pay the rent, we pay the utility bills, we pay the salaries. So first of all, I will give heading here, less operative expenses. Operative expenses consist of, for example, number 1, rent, number 2, utility bills, number 3, staff salaries, and number 4, advertisement. Number 5, we pay also tax. We may also pay, no, it may not be here, wages for someone, and it also may consist of many other types of expenses, like rent, utility bills, salaries, advertisements, taxes, and transport expense. There may be, we may be using the transport for our business, and there may be after that stationery, expenses. There may be postage expenses, and there may be daily business expenses. Also, there may be repairs and maintenance, because we have assets, we have computers that need to be repaired or maintained, so we have to pay these expenses. Also, there may be building repairs and maintenance expenses. When we have some sort of machinery, so it may have faults, it may be maintained. So that's why I used here repair and maintenance expenses. Now, for example, these are few expenses I am going to subtract from my income. After the names of expenses, I will calculate total operative expenses here. In this total operative expenses, I will bring out my expenses and sum them here. First of all, I will write some expenses. For example, our building rent is 55,000 rupees. We pay, you can type utility bills. You can type them separately also. For example, I can say telephone bill, electric bill, gas bill, internet bill, water bill. These are known as utility bills. Okay, so I have separated all of them. Because these have different amounts, we can't write the total on the basis of prediction. For example, we say that we pay 10,000 for telephone. Salaries, I say that we provide 100,000 as salaries to our employees. Now advertisement, for example, we paid 2,500 rupees for our advertisement. We also paid 5,000 government tax. We paid 8,000 rupees as wages. We have 10,000 of transport expenses. We bought the stationery of 6,000 for our business this month, and we also paid 4,000 as postage expenses. Our daily business expenses cost, for example, 15,000 per month. We paid 10,000 rupees for repair and maintenance. For building repairs, we paid, for example, 8,000 rupees. We paid the electric bill of 9,000, the gas bill of 12,000 rupees. Internet costs 5,000 per month. The water bill is 800 rupees only. Now I will make the total of all of them. For that purpose, I will use this auto sum button in the home menu. I will click it and I will select the range of all cells and press enter. You can see these are my total expenses. Now I will provide a little formatting it to also. For example, this was net income. It may be bold. It may have light gray background. It may contain a dark black color like this. Okay, now I want this formatting to every total. For example, this is also a total column that contains the total of expenses. Now here I will calculate gross income after expenses. Gross income after expenses. How I will calculate it? I will just subtract the total of expenses from my income. So for that purpose, I will write equal to, I will select the income cell. Income cell contains the cell number E5 minus, I will select the total of expenses, that is E23. Then I'll press enter. It will show me that till now I have earned 89,700 rupees. This is also total. So I need it to be a little formatted, so it must look a different way. Now I'm going to add few more accounts here also. These accounts are, for example, now I will add, what I will add here, other incomes. Other incomes. What other incomes can we earn in our academy? For example, we have a bank account. We may receive interest. We may receive discount from somewhere. We may receive commission from somewhere. These all are known as other incomes. I'm going to type them in the second column of money. For example, we have earned the 10,000 rupees as interest from our bank account. We have received a discount of 5,000, and we also received 12,000 rupees as a commission. Now I will take the subtotal here. I'll give it the heading all other incomes, or total of other incomes, and I will select auto sum, and I will choose these three incomes. And then we may have other expenses also. I will give the heading less other expenses. Other expenses, what other expenses we may pay to run our business here? These are the same as these names. I'm going to apply it here. Now I will just write allowed interest, allowed discount, allowed, and commission allowed. Because I'm going to, for example, we gave the interest to someone that costs 4,000 rupees. We gave a discount of 18,000 to our students this month. We also gave a commission of 6,000 rupees. Now I will calculate the subtotal of it by applying is equal to sum, and I will provide these cells by sum formula. Now at the end here we will calculate net income. Okay, net income cell will show us the total income of our business at the end of the period. So I will give it a heading like style. Okay, now what I will do, I will select my gross income plus I will add my other incomes minus I will subtract the total of other expenses, and this will show me the net income or net profit of my business at the end of month. The net income, I also apply some formatting over here also, so it may look better. So this was how we can calculate the income of a service oriented business for a school, for a college, for a hospital, or anywhere where someone is providing services.